Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this video, I am going to cover how to use Shopify buy buttons. With any Shopify plan, you have access to the buy button sales channel. If you have an external website or a blog, you can use buy buttons to embed your products. They display the product's photos, description, and pricing, letting customers purchase products from your store without leaving where they are. Plus, the sales feed right into your Shopify dashboard, keeping everything in one place. So in order to start using buy buttons, we will need to add it as a sales channel. So we'll click the plus and we will add the buy button sales channel. Once that is added, it will open up to the admin for the buy button sales channel. Once it's installed, we'll click create a buy button. From here, we have two options of creating a buy button. The process is still the same, but you either choose for one product or an entire collection. For this example, we're going to use the product buy button. So we're going to select one product to create a buy button with. From here, we can choose the layout of this product: full view, basic, and classic. The right-hand side shows you what this image is going to look like once you input it into your website or email. We want to set an action for when people click the button. We can have it set to add a product to the cart, direct to checkout, or open product details. Then we can customize the button. We can set different colors for the button. We can update the button text and the size of the text. Then our layout. We can determine if we want this image small or large. We can have our additional products so that it can be filtered through below this product image. We can align it left, center, or right. We can update the text for the button text, and if we want our customers to be able to determine how many of a product they want, we can show the quantity field as we see here. You can change the colors for your product title and your price to brand it even more, and you can add your custom fonts below. Last, you'll need to do your shopping cart. Based on what you chose for your action, this cart will be attached to the product buy button. So we can update how we want the text to look for the cart and the subtotal. We can view the order note field, or we can hide it. We can add instructions for the order note, which show up here. We can list additional information for this checkout, which will be listed below. We can change the button text, and we can change how the empty cart notification is seen. Once we have that completely set up, we can set it to either open in a pop-up window when they click this button, or redirect in the same tab. Once we have this how we want it, we can click next, and we're going to get the code for our buy button. Now we could copy this code and go to the website that we plan on using our buy buttons on. For this example, I'm using a Squarespace website. And with Squarespace, I'm going to need the code block for my buy buttons, and I will paste the information here and click apply. Since I made changes, I will of course save, and then I'm going to refresh this page to see how it would look. So here's our buy button. Looks exactly how we wanted it to look. I added it to the cart. There's my cart. And then I can go to checkout from here. And since I have it set up to run checkup in the same tab, it opens it up right here. So I can complete it with my delivery method, put in my shipping address and payment, and this product is complete. So that is how you create buy buttons for your products. I hope this tutorial helped, and if you are looking for more videos on Shopify, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the Shopify tutorial playlist.